So when you're dealing with millions of dollars of inventory, and since I am kind of a one-man team managing all that, you need a software on which you can rely. I can trust Rootstock in that aspect.
Equipter has been a family business since 2004 with a focus on manufacturing equipment for the residential, construction, and roofing industries. Prior to working with Rootstock, we faced challenges such as disconnected data silos and increasing demands on inventory and manufacturing. We chose to go with Rootstock because of the ability to integrate the data into our sales and service processes.
I would say the biggest benefit of working with Rootstock has been the connection with Salesforce. One, we can be live, it's cloud-based. You can just about anywhere be connected and checking things with Rootstock. We can bring it all together from the point of sale without having to jump from software to one place at the end of the day, a smooth process.
Rootstock really reduced our working hours. When we have to find something, a lost thing, supposedly, I would go in to my software, Rootstock, and it's there. So there's a guy, it just really surprised him, and he said, you are a magician, like you have magic. I told him, I said, no, it's a system that knows where we have these things.
I would recommend Rootstock. It has been a great tool for us and helps us be a more efficient company. I think we're continue growing in our digitalization of our shop and making things more efficient, more streamlined for staff.
Partnering with Rootstock has been the right thing for us. We've been able to build a platform for the next generation that enables growth while maintaining sustainability.